to create a first servlet. So before that, you know, we'll create a package. So the package, we can say that one com.apex.samples. Okay, so I'll create a servlet. So I'll give a name, say hello world servlet, right? Then you can choose, just ignore constructors, just choose to get method, then finish. So this is the servlet, and this is where we write the code for the request processing. So we'll be reading the information, whatever the user entered. Then we do processing. So processing, then validations, talk to the database, and then we give the response back. Okay. So what we do here is, so anything you want to write to the page, so we write okay, response dot get writer. So, response dot get writer. So which will give you the object of print writer. So which is out. So you say that one out dot println. Okay. So we write here some HTML document. Okay. So you give the HTML. Then you give the head. Then close the head. Okay. So we do here close the head and then give the title. Then here give the body, close the body, give the font and color red, size 20, then hello world. Then close it. So this is the first servlet. So then run this guy, run on server. So there's something wrong. Okay, so we do have do that. Response dot send out dot println, out dot close. I think we need to do that. Okay, so if we do refresh, all right. What is hello world servlet? Oh, this is title. All right. Okay, so I think let us refresh this. I think we should be good. Yeah, we are good. So this is the first yeah. All right. So um, yep. So we are done with the first servlet.